In the Kitchen is brought to you by Food Services of America.
Anytime we step into the kitchen, I get so excited. SFA chef Alexa Wilson is here, and she brought along Pitmaster Burke Holmes from Notorious P.I.G. I love the name of this restaurant.
Thank you very much.
It's in Missoula, Montana. I haven't been myself yet, but if you're ever in Montana, stop on by. Get what I'm told is the best barbecue in town, maybe in the region. Why is it so good?
Well, we take a lot of pride in the things we do. We're pretty traditional in that sense. We get there 4 a.m. every single morning.
4 a.m.?
Yep.
Hold on. Why so early?
Because that's the labor of love. It takes that long to cook our food. This brisket that we're doing today is probably going to take 14, 16 hours depending on the attitude of it, and that's what it takes to make really good barbecue.
The attitude.
The attitude. I like it. So it's kind of like a bakery where they're up baking early in the morning, you're up cooking
Exactly
or slow
right.
roasting.
Yep. We're either taking food off for the day that's been going on overnight and getting ready for lunch service that day, but we're there early because that's what we do and that's what it takes.
So start us off, what would you first do with the meat and show us kind of what's so special about the rub? Can you give us your secrets?
Yeah, well, barbecue is not too complicated. It should be more approachable than it really is. So we've just
I
got
like that.
garlic.
Well, what's going wrong at my house then?
Salt,
Yeah, there you go.
a little bit of sugar because people like candy, and some pepper because it's beef.
Yeah.
But just 4 ingredients. How come not like all that fancy maple this, whiskey that?
Because we're not smart enough to do stuff like that.
That is not true.
So we keep it pretty simple. So we
you
make
just
our
feel
own.
like that fits the beef better than
Exactly right. Yeah.
Cool.
I mean, barbecue's fun. It should be smoke and a little bit of spice in the meat. You don't want to just be tasting barbecue sauce and things like that.
And you have the title of not only owner, chef, pitmaster, all of the above, but pitmaster, that's the one that's drawing me. What is the true definition of a pitmaster?
The true definition of a pitmaster is a guy who likes smoking meat and making people happy and
And
taking
is
the
good
time.
at it, I'm sure.
That's real helpful
You gotta
if
be
you
the
want
master.
to be in a
Exactly.
restaurant.
It's a real cultural difference. Cooking barbecue, I
Well,
think.
it's pretty laid back, but we also, it's a kitchen, so it can get a little bit heated at
So
times.
once you do the rub, and we'll just kind of keep moving
Sure.
on down the line here. Let's say you've got your meat all ready. What's the next step to making a perfect Notorious P.I.G. sandwich?
Well, this thing's been in the smoker for, like I said, 14, 16 hours, and we're just kind of looking at it to make sure it got a bunch of really good
Do you ever
color
get
on it.
impatient and just want to turn it up? And
Well, when we got a line out the door and everyone's trying to eat ribs and we don't have any, then
Yeah.
we get a little bit impatient. But that's
That's
kinda
the part
is
of the
what it
business,
is.
I'm sure.
Exactly right.
Any particular kind of wood that you prefer to smoke with?
We use apple and cherry wood. In
Okay.
Missouri, where I grew up, that's kind of what grew all over the place.
Oh, all right.
And just like y'all do here, we have a bunch of apple and cherry orchards
Perfect.
up in Missoula. So
Oh,
it kinda-
especially apple. That's got to
Yep.
be just
So
nice, easily accessible.
it works
Look at
just
the
fine, dandy.
juices. This is just
Oh, wow.
melting here.
Now, what's that little pink ring around the outside?
So that's
there?
called a
Gives you
smoke
bun
ring.
to lay that into.
I'll move these out of the way here.
And
Smoke ring?
A lot of people think that that's like the true testament to good barbecue.
To good smoke.
Yep, to good smoke.
Just lay it on
That's
the
awesome.
bread.
And it's
Yeah.
really not that hard to do. But that should be what barbecue is.
Sauces,
just-
what do you like to top with?
Oh, well, we got fancy mustard. That's my favorite one because
All
I
right.
just kind of like
What makes
mustard
it
with
fancy?
everything. Well, we start with mustard and then we add a bunch of fancy stuff.
Oh, okay,
I'm taking some liberties here.
that's all you need to know.
And then we've got a sweet sauce. That's kind of the most popular barbecue sauce
All
you can
right.
think of.
Alexa, do you want to add the sweet sauce?
Sure,
on?
I'm going
okay,
for both.
So we're running out of time here, but if you're heading over to Missoula, we have the location we can put up on the screen for you. Again, they start at 4 a.m. cooking, but you can show up at 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday through Thursday, Friday through Saturday until 8 o'clock, and then Sunday until 4 o'clock, correct?
Exactly right.
That's a lot of
All right.
And then we
barbecue.
go fishing on Mondays.
And in 10 seconds left, what is your favorite part about the restaurant? Why should people stop by?
The people. We're just a bunch of nice folks trying to serve people good food, and it's a good atmosphere, and we're proud of the work we do.
We love it. Thank you, Burke, for coming in.
Thank you
Alexa,
very
as
much.
always, and we'll be
Thank
right
you.
back after this break.
In the Kitchen has been brought to you by Food Services of America.